भुरग्यांचे अपहरण करता म्हण दुबावान वास्कोत एका मानसीक अस्थिर मनशाक कांय लोकांनी कांय दीस फाटीं मारबडे केल्ली. अशें करप योग्य न्हय. जरी तर कितेंय चुकीचें दिसता तर पुलिशेक कळोवचें. कायदो कोणेच हातान घेवचो न्हय. आनी अशा तरेच्या मानसीक अस्थिर मनशाक मारबडे करप हो खर गुन्यांव आसा म्हूण अपंगत्व हक्क संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष आवेलिनो डिसा उलयला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Person was a mentally ill person was assaulted in Vasco on the charges of child kidnapping. We have taken serious cognizance of this matter, and the police has arrested 3 people who have assaulted that mentally ill persons. We would like to appeal to the general public to be a little cautious when when assaulting anybody or taking the law in their own hands, because in Goa we have so many cases of persons with disabilities. The mentally ill cases we have about 4 to 5,000. Deaf and dumb cases who cannot talk we have another 3 to 4,000. Then mentally intellectual disabled, be it autism, be it mental retardation, also there are another 4 to 5,000 cases are there in Goa. Okay, so even if somebody is using these people to commit any offense, do not take the law in your own hands. Involve the police in the matter, because assaulting a disabled, the person may not be able to express himself. Just because he is not able to express himself, because he cannot talk or because he cannot he is not intellectually sound, does not mean that the person is guilty. So do not take the law in your own hands, because assault of a person with disability is a very serious offence under the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act, under Section 92. We have taken and we will take serious cognizance of any assault on any disabled person.